Hey guys, Ben Maddox here at John's RV. I just want to introduce to you behind the camera. You got Rod Benbrook there. My name is Ben Maddox. Today we're going to be looking at a gorgeous 2023 Midwest Passage. This is the 144, so it's your short wheelbase. Beautiful white exterior. So definitely for those of you who know the difference between a black and white vehicle, we're going to look a lot cleaner on those long days where you don't get a chance to go through the car wash. Now, something important to know about this chassis, this is your 3/4 ton Mercedes Sprinter chassis. It's what they call the deviated chassis, so it is missing a few features, but Midwest has done some things to upgrade it to make it a little bit more user-friendly. They add a camera system that gives you these side view cameras, back view camera, and a front camera as well. And then you get that 360 surround view, which is tied into your sensor system as well. And then they also have the blind spot system. So a lot of nice things as far as safety features, even though it is a deviated chassis. So a couple things about Midwest. They are known for their really high quality manufacturing. One of the few that's a domestic brand that if you look at across the board as an industry, this is one of your better built quality products out there. They definitely focus on a very quiet, smooth ride. Your acoustic level inside is going to be very quiet because of the amount of insulation that they use. But we're going to point out a few things on the outside, and then we'll go take a look at the inside of this beautiful coach. So you got fiberglass molds on the outside, nice big deep step, easy to get into with a non-slip tape on the outside. Power door, all you have to do is just pop the handle and it just easily glides open. Nice sliding windows for easy cross breeze to get through. You've got some power connections, some 110 power connections, power awning with an LED light strip built in. Got these nice swing away doors. Nice storage in the back. You have access to your breaker box, fuse panel, 5,000 pound rated tow hitch, trailer wirings all set up. And then you got your backup camera integrated right inside. And then let's take a look at the inside of this 2023 Midwest Passage. Again, you've got Ben Maddox here behind the camera, Rod Benbrook. Make sure you ask for either one of us. We're going to help you find the right van for your needs. So we just pop that handle. It's going to slide open nice and easy. And again, you got a few different ways you can open and close that. You do have on your fob, you have a button you can push on that. There's also one right inside the door as well. We're going to take a seat right here, Rod. You can hang out there. As you can see, what Midwest is really known for is the quality of craftsmanship, the materials, the finish. It is really second to none. And I know it's a bit subjective, but you can look across the industry at different products that are built, and there's really not much better than what you're looking at right here. So again, this is our 144 Passage series. This is great for really anybody who's looking for something that's small, easy to drive, easy to park. A lot of couples love this size because they're not limited to certain campgrounds. A lot of national parks that have limitations, this is going to allow you to go wherever you want. And if you want to do a little bit more going in the metropolitan areas, this is going to allow you to do that. So check out the front. Look at just the beautiful ultra leather, the stitching, the wood finishes, the wood grain finishes on the dash. There's just so much to love about the Midwest Passage product. There is a camera system that you can see to the left of the steering wheel up near the dash there. A little bit of storage up above here. Just look at this beautiful wood grain look. You've got surround sound stereo system. You got your fan built in here for ventilation. There's your bathroom. You got your vanity and your toilet and your shower built in there. Good sized bathroom for this small 19.5 foot length. And we can get that open. We'll get it open here, Rod. Yes, we got it. There we go. And shower curtain. Keep that water from coming out on you. Got beautiful amenities here. Got a real porcelain toilet. And decent sized counter space because you've got this little sink cover here. So good sized sink, pull out faucet, induction cooktop. This is going to have your two 6-volt AGM batteries. It does have solar on the roof. You have a compressor fridge, which is great because these get cold really fast. They stay cold, they maintain cold temperature. Microwave oven, good amount of storage in the kitchen here. And then you've got your couch, which is going to convert into your sleeping area here. So this is a power sofa that's going to lay down. And then you have a cushion that fills in the gap here. You have a lagoon table, so your lagoon table sits there. And then you have a place to sit and eat. And then when you're ready to go to bed, you just recline this baby back. You got your TV, your entertainment system, all conveniently located. It does have your Suburban on-demand hot water heater and furnace as well. So a lot of great things to love about this, you guys. You got to come and check it out and see it for yourself. This is a brand new 2023 Midwest Passage. This is your 144. Again, my name is Ben Maddox. Behind the camera, I've got Rod Benbrook. Thanks for watching our videos. Look forward to seeing you soon.